Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford F150 windshield wipers, easy method. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, and lift the wiper arm away from the glass. Locate the release tab at the wiper blade's base, press firmly, and slide the blade down off the hook. Inspect the new blade's connector to match the old one and set it aside until installation. Keep gloves handy to avoid cuts. Choose position to access the wiper pivot, then gently rotate the arm outward away from the windshield. Find the small clip or tab under the blade where it connects to the arm and pull it outward while supporting the blade. Slide the blade downward to release the J-hook, then lift the blade off the arm. Inspect the arm for corrosion and clean contact points before fitting a new blade. Wear eye protection. Please subscribe and like if this guide is helping you maintain your truck. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless floors. While I change wipers, let a robot handle dust and crumbs so your cab stays tidy between garage visits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Align the replacement blade's connector with the wiper arm's hook and slide it upward until it clicks into place. Make sure the locking tab engages and tug gently to confirm a secure fit. Lower the arm back onto the glass slowly to avoid snapping the spring. Repeat the process for the passenger side and test both wipers by running them with washer fluid to ensure full coverage and smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.